second wave of flu infections surging nationwide. Mark Curtis joining us from the newsroom as cases nearing recent records. Mark, I know we both got hit by this thing in the first wave.
I know, and it wasn't any fun, was it?
No.
This is a new strain, though, and it's spreading so rapidly, especially with kids, that doctor visits have hit a 15-year high. And the virus has even forced some schools in some states to shut down. A late-breaking wave of flu is spiking coast to coast, with doctor visits hitting a 15-year high.
It seems like everybody has the flu. It's because they do.
ER doctors at Chicago's Cook County General blame it on a combination of an unusually nasty flu strain and falling vaccination rates.
We've seen a lot of sick people in general. Compared to previous years, it seems like they're having more respiratory issues.
According to the CDC, at least 44 states and Washington, D.C. are reporting high or very high levels. In Dallas, positive flu tests jumped 30% in 1 week. The virus spreading easily in closed environments like schools. As a result, it's spiking with children.
When kids truly are sick, they just have that look in their eyes, and there's no arguing that.
In Nebraska, Sarah Christensen's young daughter, Aubrey, came down with the virus.
And ended up taking into the pediatrician, and we did the slew of tests, and influenza B unfortunately came back positive.
The surge also impacting pharmacy.
We're having a hard time keeping in a lot of our over-the-counters. The flu numbers are so high that it's really hard to even keep the supply up for people who are being tested positive for it.
The CDC estimates at least 24 million flu cases so far this year, with 310,000 hospitalizations and 13,000 deaths, including 57 children. Experts fear by the season's end, the death toll could rise to 30,000. They say it's not too late to get a flu shot, and they're crucial when it comes to prevention.
Not only is it going to reduce your chance of getting sick, but if you do get sick, it's going to reduce the symptoms that you have and decrease the chance of you passing on to a loved one.
It's also bad here. The Arizona Department of Health and Human Services says there were close to 2,700 cases the last week of January. That's up 140% from that time 5 years ago. Tram?
Oof. All right, Mark, thank you.